Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make Snapchat Spotlight videos. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log into your Snapchat, after which you click on what? Add to Spotlight. Once you are there, for you to make a record, that is a video record, you simply need to tap on this. So once you are done doing your recording, you simply need to add what? Text if you wish to add. So after which you can simply customize it. So once you're done with that, you can simply add what? A link. So if you have a link, you can simply add. So I'm going to add my channel link. So guys, this is one of my channel link. Or if you want to add a sound, you simply click on this. So you simply choose the sound in which you want to add. For copyright issues, I won't play the sound. After that, I click on what? Next. So guys, we just placed the sound on our Spotlight video, so we are going to click on what? Okay. After which we can simply save this, or you send it to your contacts or to your Spotlight and to your status. So I'll simply place it on my status. After that, I click on what? Send. So guys, this is a video where I use on placing on my status and on Spotlight status. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.